It starts as a trickle from the temple, but it ends as a flood of life. Wherever this river flows, the dead are raised and the salty desert blooms. God's grace is a rising tide that heals the world. In the heart of Babylon, a young man draws a line. Daniel refuses the king's table to keep his heart for the King of Kings. True strength isn't found in a feast, but in a faithful soul. Empires of gold, silver, and iron may tower over the earth, but a stone is coming, cut without human hands. It strikes at the feet of pride, and the kingdom of God fills the whole world. The furnace is heated 7 times over, but for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, God comes first. Fire has no power over the faithful. Look, a 4th man walks in the flames. He is with us in the heat of our greatest trials. The law is signed, and the lions are hungry. Daniel remained faithful to God even if it will cost his life. But a night in a pit is a sanctuary, when the angel of the Lord is the guard. Silence the roar of the world with the peace of your prayer. Monsters rise from the sea beasts of war and symbols of power. They look invincible, but they are only temporary players in a much larger story. Behold, the Son of Man coming on the clouds. To him is given a dominion that will never pass away. Every beast will bow, and the Ancient of Days will reign forever.